Welcome to the Introduction to Motorhome Steering and Suspension. I'm Tommy Henderson, and I'll be your instructor for this course. So let's start off talking about who this course is for. First, if you're a licensed RV inspector and you're looking to expand to motorhome chassis inspections, this course is for you. Also, if you're a licensed RV technician and you're looking to offer motorhome chassis assessment, upgrades, or other services. And finally, if you're just a motorhome owner who is seeking to learn about common chassis issues and solutions, then this course can help you out as well. So what are we going to cover today? First, we're going to give a little bit of background on the history of Henderson's lineup and SuperSteer. We're going to talk about why this course is needed. And then finally, we're going to spend most of our time going through an overview of motorhome chassis issues and solutions to those issues. And then I will just give a note here regarding towables. This course is really focused on motorhome steering and suspension. Trailers and fifth wheels do have their own suspension challenges and unique solutions to those challenges. Those will not be covered in this course. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the history of Henderson's lineup, and I am very proud to be the third generation Henderson at Henderson's lineup. Our company dates back to 1961, when my grandfather, Floyd Henderson, founded the company. And there's a picture of him by our original shop there. We began working on motorhomes in the 1980s after just identifying a need for making these things handle halfway decent. The early ones in the 80s and 70s were definitely a handful to drive, so was a definite need there. We developed the first SuperSteer component, the P3032 Pell crank, back in about 1991. There's a picture of that unit compared to the original on the bottom right-hand picture there. And so it was my dad, Robert Henderson, and his brother, my uncle John Henderson, who developed that bell crank as well as the road performance assessment process in the 1990s. There's a picture of my uncle John on the left there and my dad, Robert, on the right. And very proud of both of those guys. The road performance assessment essentially is a systematic process to identify and address motorhome steering and handling issues. So we saw a need for having some kind of process to go about this and did develop that. And that's really what's informed this presentation, as well as just the general approach we take to motorhome handling and steering.